Hello, myself Ramcharan. This is basically 1325 topic. So here one person asked the question basically. One of the satellite person who actually saw human creation basically. How human created, how human souls created. So he asked the question. So is it possible to secure the human souls basically? For example, you are creating human souls and nothing is supposed to happen to that human soul. For example, American president, human souls. For example, Sunil R. Nair, human souls. American president attacked basically, I think, more than 6 times. Basically. And Sunil R. Nair basically attacked more than 1,000 times. Basically. So one person told that, is it possible to secure the human souls basically? So one person told, while creating the human souls basically, that person basically who is going to take that human souls basically, he will be the 100% secure person basically. Is that possible basically? So the group basically like Brahma Kumari group, then the Patanjali group, then the Arya Samaj group basically, they have assumed that basically they basically watched this video basically. So they basically told that basically this type of thing basically we are trying to do basically, but not able to do it basically. Because they are into human souls creation. They are designing the human souls. If you are designing this type of human souls, you are designing that type of. So that is, so one person asked the question basically, is it possible, Sunil basically? So one person told that, how basically this is possible to secure the human souls itself. So one person told that, how that is possible. So that is the topic basically which we are going to discuss. To discuss this topic basically, to completely understand this topic basically, lots of other things basically has to be discussed with. So we will connecting this whole topic with securing human source data. So next videos.